Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I got my package back, or package in the mail that I ordered a couple days ago. I ordered a solar powered battery pack, and it came in this box that has sticker marking it's lithium ion batteries inside. So yeah, let's begin the unboxing with my cool knife. I got a solar powered battery pack that has 25,000 milliamps, and it has a solar power, like I said. This is probably the best one I saw on Amazon. It's actually pretty heavy when you're feeling it. Oh, what is this? What's this? Ball bearings, trains. I think that might be my mom's. So, that could be my mom's stuff. And here it is. Oh my god, it is heavy. You can feel it when you're holding the box. From rev power the battery pack is from. I can leave a description below if you want. Doesn't have tape. It has a fancy unboxing. On the left hand side you got your cables. We got 2 micro USB cables. Yep, 2 micro USB cables. And a carabiner. And a USB-C to micro USB connector. That's pretty cool. That's probably for my second one. And here is the battery pack itself. Pretty heavy. Is that it? Oh no, I think I'm not there. It's on this side. Here it is. Got some instruction manual. Comes in this bag. Oh my god, this is actually feels really nice. And it came out of the box charging in the sun. See, when the sun gets on it, it charges. You can cover it up like how should I do it? Like, see, it dimmed it up. It didn't dim, see, it's charging. Pretty cool. And it's big. Here is the button for to turn it on. It has 2 battery in it. It's half charged. When you hold it down, I think the flashlight will pop on. Oh, it shines right in my eyes. It's pretty bright. If you can see. Pretty bright. And here is where you have the waterproof door. You open it up, you got your quick charge and your smart charge, 2 USBs right there, and your quick charge and USB-C on this side. So hard to open on this side. It's actually a pretty cool battery pack. So hard. But there you go. And then there's your USB-C and your micro USB. It's a tight fit. Let's test it out. I have my cable over here. Light proof cable. My water It actually fits with the LifeProof thing, and it's charging. If you can see that, it works, and it's charging in the sun as well. It has a big solar panel. In my opinion, the solar panel is like a great add-on if you like camping in the backcountry or camping for overall camping, because this has 25,000 milliamps, and this will last you like a week charging your iPhone. I think I saw on the description below of the Amazon thing, it said an iPhone can charge, I think, 6 times, and the Samsung, I think, 3 times or 4 times. That's pretty good, because I'm going on a summer camp this summer with Boy Scouts, and we're going to be there for a week, and I have a USB-C USB fan, and I can charge my fan and stay cool in the 90-degree weather and charge my phone at the same time while it charges in the sun. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing of the solar powered battery pack. See, it says right there, portable charger with phone. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification button to get notified when I post. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace out.